With this, I would invite Mr. Ajay Sehgal, EVP Enterprise Business Channels and Soho Business, Vodafone Idea Limited, to share his vision on Vodafone Idea helping partners in their digital transformation journey.
On behalf of Vi, I welcome all my channel partners. First of all, a big thank you for your efforts to revive enterprise business during the last few months. Thank you. So guys, we are now Vi Business. So Vi as a brand, collaboration of India's two loved and trusted brands, which is Vodafone and Idea. Vi is built to be strong, ever dependable, agile, intuitive, and in tune with our customer needs. Vi is designed to help our customers move ahead in their life for a better today and a brighter tomorrow. So Vi as a brand is powered by GigaNet, a network of the future. So GigaNet is the largest spectrum holding, superior coverage across towns and villages. It is India's largest massive MIMO radio deployment, which is helping all our customers to get better network in each and every nook and corner of the country. As per Ookla's report, Vi is the fastest 4G network in India. And as well as per the last month TRAI report, Vi is giving superior voice quality amongst all its competitors. Vi is also helping customers like Escorts to empower their farmers. Vi is also helping customers like Yulu Bike for better sharing, helping Tata Motors to improve their efficiency, as well as Vi is also putting Fleesa as a brand ahead in the tire race. So let me now talk about that how we are transforming from a telco to a techco. So you must be experiencing that the customer needs are changing and there is a convergence happening in different space and different segments. Earlier the customer used to get or used to buy from us a plain vanilla bandwidth pipe. But now that plain vanilla bandwidth pipe requirement is changing into an intelligent pipe, a secured pipe, and not only a secured bandwidth pipe, but the customer is expecting when you guys are giving us secured bandwidth pipe, you should also give us along with data center services. The customer is no more asking for a IoT connectivity only. Customer is asking that you should give me a device along with the application, platform, connectivity, and inciting on all my data. So that's the way the customer needs are changing. So how Vi is serving their customer needs with the help of a super strong portfolio across IoT, which is Internet of Things, mobility, connectivity, which is especially fixed line voice and data connectivity, security solutions, communications, as well as cloud. And cloud covers software as a service, as well as infrastructure as a service. So with the help of this strong portfolio, we are helping our customers across all segments, global and local corporates, governments, both state government as well as central government, public sectors, small and medium enterprises, as well as startup. And we are helping across all these segments to help our customers to improve their agility and productivity in their digitalization journey, helping them to skill on the skilling side, as well as giving them advisory service, especially on the automation with the help of IoT as a technology. So if that's the way we are moving from a telco to a techco, let me give you a few examples, that how this journey of telco to techco is helping our customers in their digital transformation. Let me give you a few examples. In the government space, EESL, we have partnered along with EESL in the power digitalization by helping EESL in terms of deployment of largest smart metering solutions in the country. With the help of our cloud telephony solutions, we are helping on an ongoing basis Department of Food and Civil Supplies in multiple states to optimize the food requirement for the needy people, as well as allowing the better privileged people to opt out of this scheme. We are also helping JCOM Bank in the secured real-time banking with the help of our MPLS connectivity solution, as well as we are helping Tata Motors as an example to improve their service efficiency with the help of managed IoT connectivity platform. Apart from government as well as large enterprises, we are also helping with our innovation to the SMBs of the countries, which includes startup also. So let me give you a few examples to establish that how telco to techco journey is helping to transform in the digital era of our customers. The Cloud Kitchen is an example. There is a renowned restaurants of Kerala, who's providing faster services to their end customers by connecting to the nearest restaurant and supplying food using VIVR service. Smart Water IoT Solutions, a leading RO purifier firm of Karnataka, providing water as a service. You will be amazed to know that companies have started providing water as a service by tracking consumption and service requirements using VIoT solutions. So there is a smart ATM security systems using VIoT and cloud solutions where the service provider is giving a complete security solutions to the ATM. And also, I would like to highlight a story of Rima. So Rima, who lost her job in the COVID period, she is a Mumbai resident, but she opened up an online grocery store in her society to start it with in Thane using V Business online store and started catering to the local grocery needs of the local premises. But in the last couple of months, we are observing that using V Business online store, Rima is expanding her business of online store across Thane. So these are few stories which helps you to establish that how we as a brand helping large enterprises, helping government, both state and central, as well as helping small and medium enterprises, including startups in their digital journey with the help of our propositions. So now if we are helping, in the digital journey of our customers, parallelly, channel partners are integral part to our growth. And we are doing the same activities for our channel partners also. So if customers are going digital, the channel partners of we also has to go digital. I think that's the mantra which we are using for last almost a year or so. And from our side, the intent is that limitless reach for our channel partners, meaning that the telecom and IT requirements or technology requirements, I would say, are there in each and every nook and corner of the country. And the partner has to be present either physically or digitally to meet, understand customers' requirement and give them the right solution. So we are helping our partners so that they should be able to achieve this limitless reach with the help of our multiple initiatives, both around physical coverage as well as digital coverage. So what we are doing for our channel partners, I can proudly say that all we channel partners are now fully digital. When I say fully digital, again, obviously it's a nascent stage, but 100% of our channel partners are now having their online presence. With the help of we, each and every channel partner created a full-fledged website where the channel partners can reach out to their customers using website. That was the first step from our side. The second step from our side is now we are helping building up the channel partners capability so that they understand how to reach out to their customers using social media, using different digital tools to improve the overall reach in the market. The another activity which we are doing for our channel partners is that we are digitizing their workforce. So we have launched an app called V Business Hub. All our channel partners are now on V Business Hub. When I say all our channel partners, meaning that all channel partners, including their sales team, are now on Vi Business Hub. And this Vi Business Hub app is helping our partners to track and monitor their workforce, whether it's a sales workforce or a service workforce, when they are there working on the ground. They are helping, basically, this app is helping our partners to track the performance of each and every individual, whether the individual is working for sales or service. They are tracking their location, they are tracking their sales visit on a daily basis, weekly basis, monthly basis, analyzing that what kind of funnel they are generating and what's the kind of closure. So this is helping our partners to improve their productivity to a larger extent, helping their overall operations to be much more automated. So this is a clear example that when we are talking about that we are helping our customers to go digital, the partner also has to go digital, because then only the channel partner will be able to help our customers to go digital. The clear intent from our side is that now we want to build the partner's capability so that the partner becomes future fit. So there are few areas which we are helping our partners to become future fit. One is the constant upskilling. I have given an example that how we are helping our partners in their digital journey. Second is, product-based certification programs on an ongoing basis. When we are expanding our overall portfolio, it's critical that the partners should also go under the certification program so that partner is able to pitch the right product, the right solutions to our customers and helping our customers in their digital journey. And the last but not the least is by providing digital tools to our partners. And again, I've given an example, two examples. One is Vi Business Hub app to automate their overall operations. And second is, creating their website so that they should be able to reach out to their customers. So this is our partner journey, how we are digitizing our partners. So in the summary, I would like to say that the way we are transforming from a telco to techco by digitizing our customers, our channel partners, whether the customers are from the large enterprise, the customers are from the small and medium enterprises, startup, central and state government. Parallelly, whether the partner is managing a large enterprise or the partner is managing a government or a small and medium enterprise, the overall ecosystem in this digital economy has to go digital. So this is, in short, our journey from a telco to techco, which I wanted to talk about from Vodafone Idea's side. So in the end, I would urge each one of you to please come and join us in this transformation journey of Vi as a brand from telco to techco. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Ajay.